If you run a recruitment firm and you're not sure where your next deal is coming from, you're not alone. Hi, I'm Mark Whitby, and I've trained thousands of recruiters over the last 24 years. Many recruiters struggle to bring in new clients consistently. Business owners often tell me things like, Mark, I'm a really good recruiter. Once I land a client, I tend to keep them because we deliver excellent service. If I could just get more meetings with hiring managers, I'd make more placements, and that would solve a lot of my problems. The hard part is getting in front of the right people. Does that sound familiar to you? Why is it so much harder to get client meetings than it used to be? Here's what's really going on. Right now, we're in one of the toughest business development environments I've seen. Hiring has slowed. Competition has increased. Clients are harder to reach than ever. That's led to the market being flooded with low-quality automated outreach. Your clients are bombarded every day. It's not that automation doesn't work. It's that most of your competitors are doing it wrong. The majority of that outreach is generic, it's impersonal, and frankly doesn't deserve a response. What cuts through the noise is relevance. And relevance comes from targeting the right person at the right time with the right message. It is possible to do that at scale, so you create leverage without sacrificing quality or losing that personal touch. That's exactly what we're going to show you how to do in our new course. It's called Automate Your Outreach: How to Generate Client Leads Every Day on Autopilot. This is a 4-week training program led by my friend and colleague, Giorgio Zanella. Giorgio is a top go-to-market engineer and clay specialist. Each week, Giorgio will walk you through a complete, recruiter-specific automation campaign. We'll show you how to build targeted lead lists in minutes, not weeks. Use intent signals to know when to reach out so you'll be in the right place at exactly the right time. How to write messages that feel personal and not robotic. And most importantly, how to avoid the mistakes that most recruiters make when it comes to automating their business development. Each session is live and interactive, so you can follow along and implement with us in real time. We'll also walk you through the tech stack, what's essential, what's optional, and how to pick the right setup for your goals and your budget. Plus, if you choose the upgrade option, you won't have to build anything yourself. We're going to give you our plug-and-play clay tables, complete with enrichment waterfalls, built-in AI prompts, and step-by-step SOPs. You simply import the templates and launch your outbound campaigns with a few clicks. Picture this. You sit down at your desk on Monday morning, you open your calendar, and you see you've already got multiple client meetings scheduled. Plus, new leads are appearing in your inbox daily. Same thing on LinkedIn, all running in the background, even when you're focused on delivering to existing clients. That means no more feast and famine. No more worrying where your next job is coming from, just a consistent, scalable system for bringing qualified opportunities to you. That's the freedom that automating your outreach unlocks if you do it properly. So whether you're starting from scratch or you want to refine what you're already doing, this course will shortcut your path to consistent, scalable client generation. Click the link around this video to register for the course. Listen, you could watch a bunch of YouTube videos and waste weeks or months trying to figure this out yourself. Or you could do what I did and pay an agency $25,000 or more to set it up for you. Or you could just use the system we've already built and let us guide you every step of the way. So once again, if you want more consistent client flow, if you want to stay ahead of the curve while others fall behind, or if you want to build a business development machine that works for you on autopilot 24/7, go ahead and click the button to register for the program and let's get to work.